Hello! I made myself a goal of making 10 coffee station looks by the end of the year, and a bit of a personality flaw, I tend to just sort of bulldoze straight ahead and try to get everything done at once. I did that a bit with my coffee station looks. I just poured all my attention into trying to get them done as fast as I could, and now I'm kind of left wondering what to do next. So for this look, I just decided to go with my everyday default coffee station look. This is how I'd like it to look every day. What I kind of default to if I'm not putting on a certain look or style for neighbors or a get-together, etc. And before I show the look, I thought I'd just break down some of the knowledge that I gained looking into what goes into a coffee bar and break it down into some simple steps. This is what I was kind of Googling and looking for when I first got my coffee station, and I wanted to put things together. Okay, so coasters, they're very helpful, especially if you love your furniture. Napkins, a coffee machine, a coffee maker of any kind. I love this one. I love Cuisinart, so it's a single cup coffee maker, so you can use the pods, which I was so excited about when I got this coffee station because I've never had pods before. It was just this new wonderful thing for me. And it also makes a traditional pot of coffee, like a diner style pot of coffee, which I love. And mugs. So here I have mugs from the set that I collect and that I have as my main set. And here I have a mug from Harrods. And this is just to show, find something that, like Marie Kondo says, gives you joy, that you love, incorporate it into the coffee station. I'm ashamed to say I've actually never been to Harrods, but at some point in my life, many years ago, for some reason I cannot explain, I got obsessed with Harrods. I was looking at pictures all day long, and really wanted to go. And years later, I did actually get to go to London, England, and the person I was traveling with, we had a very set itinerary. We couldn't actually go to Harrods, so I drove by it in the red bus, and I was upset and so sad that I couldn't go in, and this would be a cute story if I wasn't in my 30s, but I still feel happy when I see this Harrods mug for reasons I cannot explain. The heart wants what it wants. I just love it. Now here we have chai tea. So this is a tea pod station, and here is a coffee pod station. Here is a cool candle I found that fits my coffee theme. Here's a utensil holder. Some kind of decor. I just love this little mini fireplace. I'm not sure what it would be called, maybe a lantern. It's just an LED screen, but I find it adds such a beautiful ambiance. I think it was $60 on Wayfair, and it's a bit pricey, but I went with this one because it had an orangey, kind of orangey yellow tone, and all the other ones that I've seen have been this weird red tone, which is really unappealing. More decor, a cute candle that I love, canisters for your favorite teas, decor, a tea set, cream and sugar, decor that's meaningful to you, some kind of lamp just specific to your coffee station, so it gives it a good ambiance, and it also, you can just light up just the coffee station. And some kind of serving tray for croissants or pastries or banana bread, whatever you want to serve if you have a brunch or that kind of thing, if you have neighbors over. I have it empty right now because this is I'm being honest about my default coffee station. This is not going to be normally filled with chocolate croissants. A neighbor suggested that I put truffles in it because truffles can last a long time and it won't look empty. So that was a really good idea. Maybe I'll look for that. I think that's everything. Yeah, just one last thing. The coffee syrups, a spoon rest, and this canister, which would be the canister that you put your coffee grounds in, your coffee beans in, whatever you prefer.